Good morning, team. First, let's get dressed for work with what I have in my closet. Today's Wednesday. We have 2 more days and then it's weekend. So this is the basic layer that I'm going for. I'm going to wear a dress, but I don't want to leave my leg outside because even though the weather is getting better, but it's still a bit cold outside. So I still want to have something on my skin. So I'm going to wear a dress. I'm going to wear a dress. I can't remember where I picked this dress from. Okay, this dress is from the H&M. I picked this one from the H&M. It's such an old dress. It's also on the very smaller size. This is X XS, like the real small size. I picked this up. The time I picked this dress up, I was quite skinny, and also because it's a very stretchy material, so that's the reason why I still have it in my closet because it fits me. It still looks good on me. I'm gonna wear this for work today. Oh yeah, last night I couldn't sleep. My allergic was just all over the place. You guys can see my under eye is a bit puffier, like really swollen up because of allergic reaction. Because the weather is getting nice and the flowers are coming out, and the allergic is here. Oh yeah, it's not fun. It's really not fun. But yeah, what can I do? There's nothing I can do about it actually. All I can do is just take medication, just take pills, nose spray, eye drops, all of those things. That is everything I can do. Yeah, last night was really bad. I wake up in the middle of the night because my throat was so dry, my nose was blocked. It's really crazy. One thing about I want to be comfortable with this dress. It's quite a long dress actually, but it's still very cold outside. I love the way it holds, especially when I'm gaining weight now. I've also lost a little bit of weight. Yeah, I've also lost a little bit of weight. But when I add up weight and I wear a dress that is like on the smaller size, but then like very stretchy, I love the way it just holds my body. I love the way it just sits on my body like this. I like to wear shapewear because I just want the dress to be smooth. Like you see how smooth it is on my body. That's the reason why I love to wear shapewear because shapewears kind of make it smooth. Because like when you have panties, when you have undergarments like panties or your underwear, when you don't have shapewear, you can feel that your underwear, and I don't like it. So I when I wear shapewear, you don't feel your underwear, and everything just looks smooth and sexy. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this boots. I just want to be comfortable. The heels are not really high, so let's wear it today. My voice is kind of awkward right now because, yeah, the weather is just not weathering. With some hand cream. Uh, this hand cream is finished, so but it's not finished, just that it's very thick. It's a very thick hand cream. At the time, oh, I love this hair. I'm gonna have this on for the whole of this week, and then I'll take it off um, on Sunday or Saturday, Friday. After work, I will take it off. This is going to be my hair for the entire week. I love the curls. I love how fluffy. This is such an old wig. I love the density. I love the fullness of the wig. It's curly. You can style it in so many ways. I just love it when it's like falling on my face like this. But I only use the Sol de Janeiro. I don't want to spray my body because of my allergic reaction right now. The perfume is also, I'm a bit sensitive to it right now. Taking my medication, but yeah, even at that, it's just so crazy. So yeah, Team Fullest. This is the outfit look of the day. We have 2 more days. We have 2 more days. This outfit look of the day. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box. Excuse the fact that I'm all over the place. I'm having an allergic reaction and it's just so crazy right now. But yeah, I promise to make a video showing you guys me getting ready for work. So most important thing, I'm consistent, I'm consistent. That's the thing. I want to learn to be consistent. And that's the thing. That is the goal. Consistency is the goal. So yeah, look of the day. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Ik waardeer het echt. En ik zie jullie zo snel mogelijk op een andere video. Before I thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate you all. And I'll see you guys very soon on another video. Peace out. Bye. Doei.